In this Adobe Premiere Pro tutorial, we're going to create a rounded corner video frame that looks perfect for social media style videos. Rounded corners make your video look more modern and polished compared to the standard rectangular frame. Let's get started. First, select your clip on the timeline. Now go to the effects panel and search for rounded crop. Drag and drop the effect onto your clip. Next, go to the effect controls panel to adjust the settings. First, you enable symmetrical crop. This makes sure the crop values stay balanced across the frame. Now set the left value to 5, then set the top value to 12. You'll notice the frame getting slightly cropped, which helps create some spacing around the video. Next, adjust the roundness slider. Increasing this value will start rounding the corners of the video frame. If you want more control, you can enable custom roundness. Once you check custom roundness, you'll get separate values that allow you to adjust the corner roundness individually. This gives you more flexibility if you want slightly different shapes on different corners. You'll also see options like angle and scale. The angle option lets you slightly rotate the cropped frame if needed. And the scale slider helps adjust the size of the video so it fits nicely inside the rounded frame. These small adjustments help you create a cleaner and more professional looking layout. Now, this technique is commonly used in social media videos, picture-in-picture designs, reaction videos, and modern UI style edits. And that's it. You've successfully created a rounded corner video frame in Adobe Premiere Pro. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more Adobe Premiere Pro tutorials.